Hey, what's up everyone? BitMeSun back with another Bitcoin video. So currently right now I'm on the Bitcoin 4-hour time frame. So in today's video we're just going to go over a few different charts, find a few different prices, and see where we could be heading. So let's just jump right into it. If you haven't liked and subscribed yet, please hit that like and subscribe. We make these videos every single day, so definitely don't miss out. So I appreciate everybody who just hit that subscribe button. So let's just jump right into it. So in today's video, I remember noticing a possible head and shoulders kind of forming. And if you guys notice, we kind of broke above, but it was more of a fake out. And then we got rejected to come back down. But if you notice, we have this white line going diagonal this way. That is where we're getting support, but we're also not going any lower. So the thing is okay, this is the one, this is the retest. So if we come down here again, this is what's gonna break, or we're gonna catch it to come back up. So like I said, we always wait for a retest, and if you notice, this is kind of, it got rejected, but then if it comes back up and breaks again, I think it could be possible. Because the thing is, it's usually supposed to, if you do it like that, it's usually supposed to, like, this would have been the retest right here to come back up. So since we broke that line, now we're kind of like retesting it to get rejected possibly. And current price right now is 29,700. So we need to break above 29,775 for sure. Alright, so yesterday I had made these little boxes right here just to kind of let me know some supply and demand areas. And if you guys notice, we're kind of right here, we were respecting it, came up here, and then we came into here now. Then we're into these ones, and it's respecting them, came above, came back into it. All, like it said, every single time it's just respecting these lines. So current price right now is 29,742. So we're actually moving up a little bit. I mean, but if you do notice, this is a possible double top also. So what double tops usually mean, but this is on a 15-minute time frame also, by the way. So we going up here, went up, came up, top, came down, and we're finding support right here at this line. So now we're catching this bounce back up. So I mean, in reality, we are still technically working our way up this way. So if you notice, this is going upwards, so that's still technically an uptrend. So until we break this line and give it a retest, we'll be coming back down again. But this could be our line where we possibly take a bounce. And if you notice, it's kind of forming a head and shoulders on this one, but we'll have to wait and see. Alright, so this is on the daily time frame right here. Let's see. So current price right now is 29,715. So we're working our way down just a little bit. But if you do notice, you know, this yellow line right here is where we're getting support. So once we break this line, this white line now, that's gonna confirm the more downside. But if we stay above that line, then our next target is gonna be the top of this white line right here. So we'll definitely keep an eye out for that. And this is on the 4-hour time frame right here. So as you guys can tell, let me move this line. That's that. And look, this is on a 4-hour time frame. So the thing is if you notice, look at the direction we're going. We're still going up. So okay, I have it on that chart. All right, so yeah, that line right there is still working its way up. We're creating this pennant now. There's a pennant right here, this triangle. If you guys notice, a pennant is usually right here at in the middle. If you notice, it's usually a continuation pattern. So if we're continuing, we're gonna go the direction we're already going. So since this one is working its way up, this pennant is just a continuation of that. So let's just see, after we break out of this little triangle, which way we direct. So what that's going to do is going to determine the direction we're going to head. So if we break up, then we're going up. If we break down here, then we're going down. Sorry about that. All right, so now currently price is now 29,650. So if we start breaking this, let's see, I think if we start breaking 29,600, then yeah, we're coming lower to lower pricing. And then if we break 29,410, then yeah, it's going to create a new lower low, and then that's what's going to, so underneath that line right there, once we break that, then yeah, we're confirming down to this area. And if you notice, this line right here is lowest 28,577. So we'll probably come down to that area and then maybe catch a bounce to come up. But like I said, we need to stay above this line first, and then we're gonna keep moving up. But once we break that line, then it's coming down. So if you guys notice, this was the same line I'm talking about right here. This is the line that we need to stay above. And if you notice, we're actually bounce, bounce, and this is another bounce, and it's creating almost like a possible head and shoulders now. So if we break above that line, then that's going to confirm this move up. But this is why I'm thinking, you know, the little recent drop down to 25,000 was probably the bottom, because now look at from that area, we're only going up. It's not like we're continuing down this way. So this could have been a pivot point, a possible pivot point. I'm not saying it is, but the thing is we need to break above this. If we could break above this 31,625, then we're going to keep moving up. 31,300. So that's the first area we need to break above. Well, actually, no, not the first area, but one of the areas. So we need to break above this line of coming in around 30,300. So we got as high as 30,437. So I think around that area is where we would need a break to create a new higher high for this. But if you do notice the highs, look at right here, this is a high and then this is a high. So if this comes up one more time, I'm thinking it will go above that one, because this is all creating a new upward trend also. So it's going to depend which way we break. You know, we're either going to bounce here to go up, or we're going to break down, keep going that way. So as long as we stay above this line, we'll be all right. All right, let me give a few price targets. and check out a few. And look at, we're still moving up a little bit inside of these boxes. So once we start breaking this top box, then we'll be shooting for this box. But these are all these areas that we're getting, you know, bounces and stuff. So we're actually creating a new, we're breaking that structure right now. Alright, so current price right now is 29,700. We need to stay above 29,400. It will be the first target we need going downwards. Pretty much. So now we're up to 29,770. So we need to we're pretty much at our decision point. We're right on the middle. So we're either going to take a step up to go higher, or we're going to take a step down to go lower. It's really making a decision in this next candle that we're at. So depending where we close, either green or red. But yeah, so if we stay above 29,400, that could be where we catch a bounce. But if we break that, then the next one will be 29,277. And if we break that one coming underneath that, the next high would be 29,100. So like those are real quick ones, but those are areas that we need to stay above. But if we start moving up, we need to break 29,916. So if we break that going up, then this is where we're going to start continuing up to this 30,200, and then we need to break 30,437. Alright, so yeah, that's kind of what I got so far for Bitcoin. I appreciate you guys all for watching. Actually, look at this chart. This was on a daily chart. I'm not sure if I updated it or not, but let me just update it real quick. But yeah, I appreciate everybody for watching this far into the video. If you made it this far into the video, you're definitely a part of the big crew. So make sure you subscribe, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I appreciate everybody for watching always. Let me go back to the daily. Alright, yeah, so this is pretty much exactly like, okay, so this was a, oh, which way did that go? Maybe like that. I hate when I do that. Well, anyways, we're kind of in like a falling wedge. We broke up, and then breaking down underneath this support line is kind of confirming a little bit of downside. So if we close right there and then we open up again underneath, then yeah, we're gonna probably create a new lower low, kind of like that. So we'll definitely keep an eye out for that. If this chart is right, look at, we have a red came down, green came up a little bit, green came up, red, we came down, we hit red again. So if this chart is right, I got to look into it a little bit more, but from this chart it's kind of telling me we could possibly be still having some downside. I need to re-edit it anyways, but I'll look into that also. But yeah, so I appreciate everybody watching from this far into the video. Like I said, look at, okay, so if we could stay above this line, then yeah, we're gonna keep moving upwards at least. So So this is an important line, pretty much where we're at. This 29,600, 29,700 is our pretty much our breaking point. Once we start closing underneath that, then we'll start seeing lower prices. Alright, but yeah, that's what I got. So I appreciate everybody watching, and you guys all have a good day. Don't panic, sell, accumulate right now. If people are buying right now, they must follow the money, the big money, the real money, the billionaires, whatever they're doing with their money. That's how you know what's going on. If everybody's telling you get out of the market, but billionaires are putting their money into the market, don't be confused. Don't be fooled by the ones that aren't putting money into the market. Follow the money. But that's all I got today. So you guys all have a good day, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.